Next I add here another text box. Copy this text box, drag and drop at this position, resize this text box. Then I add icons in these 5 text boxes. Click on icons. In this dialog box, select people. I select this icon, click on insert, resize this icon and place at this position. I make the copy of this icon, place the same icon at this position, again make the copy of this icon, place at this position and place this icon at this position. Then I change the color of these 4 icons as well as this text has. Click on Format Painter, then click on this icon. I think I cannot use Format Painter on this icon. So click on Graphic Format tab, change this icon color, this color, similarly this icon, select this color, select this color and select this color. Then select this text box, press Ctrl key, press mouse and move left. Next I add here 2 more icons in this text box. Click Insert tab, click on Icon, select this section. I have got these 2 icons from the Icons dialog box. So drag and drop these 2 icons in this text box. Next I add here another text box. This text box will show the name of each state. When I filter the data from to the slicer, this text box will be dynamically changed. So first I make the copy of text box, place this text box at this position, then click on progress chart. I will display this text in the text box. Select all, enter $, then select this cell reference, press enter key. Then I format this text box. Click Home tab, select the text color, this color, then increase the text size up to 16 and click on bold. Resize this text box. Similarly, I change the color of this icon. Select this color. I also change the color of this icon. Then copy this text box and place here. Inside this text box, type total revenue. Then I make the copy of this text box and place this text box at this position. Then click on progress chart. I will get value of total revenue from the pivot table. So first I make the cell reference of this cell in this cell. Click on this cell. Format this cell. Then select all. Enter equal sign. Select this cell reference. Then I format this value. Click on center alignment and middle alignment. So when I filter the data inside the dashboard, I will see here the name is here is changed and the total revenue value is changed. Next I group all text and icons inside this text box. Select this text box, press Ctrl key and select this text box. Click on Shape Format, then click on Group. So by creating group, when I move this text box, all the text box and icons will be moved with this text box.